Make her think of you, even when you're not around. Have you ever had a song get stuck in your head? You don't try to remember it, it just plays and plays. Human relationships work the same way. When you understand how to create the right kind of silence, you become that catchy melody she can't stop replaying. Today, you'll learn 8 simple, science-backed ways to make a woman think about you long after you've stepped out of the room. No games, no manipulation, just a deeper understanding of what makes the heart grow fonder. Let's dive in. 1. Turn absence into oxygen. The mind can't help craving what it doesn't have. When you're always available, your presence becomes background noise. But when you step back with confidence, you create oxygen, the very space that lets attraction ignite. Be present, then pull back. Give her genuine quality time, full attention, eye contact, shared laughter, then return to your own life without apologies. Let her imagination fill the gaps. The brain naturally edits memories, highlighting the best moments and blurring flaws. Your brief absence lets that highlight reel loop on repeat. Don't vanish, just don't hover. Think scarcity, not disappearance. A short pause in texting, a night apart after a great date, an unannounced weekend project. These tiny gaps multiply your value. 2. Create emotional peaks and peaceful valleys. People forget ordinary days but remember roller coasters. Give her high points she'll replay during the quiet. Peak moments. Plan something small but vivid. A spontaneous dessert run, a heartfelt compliment at an unexpected time, a walk where you listen like no one else ever has. Let the peak echo. Fight the urge to text, "Had fun, good night," the second she closes the door. Silence lets the emotional high stretch and settle. Intermittent reward. Brain science shows unpredictable rewards release more dopamine than scheduled ones. Vary your rhythm, a surprise call mid-week, then a thoughtful gap before the next text. 3. Keep a hint of mystery. Humans complete unfinished stories. If you hand someone every chapter, there's nothing left to read. Share selectively. Open up about your passions, but leave a few chapters unspoken. Mention the marathon you ran without reciting your split times. Reference the book you're writing, not its entire plot. Ask more than you tell. Curiosity grows when she feels genuinely heard. The less spotlight you claim, the more she wonders about the man behind the questions. Quiet confidence. Mystery isn't aloofness. It's calm self-assurance that says, "I'm comfortable letting you discover me at your pace." 4. Practice strategic scarcity. Scarcity multiplies perceived worth. Just look at limited edition sneakers or a sold-out concert. Guard your calendar. Even if you're free every night, choose not to be. Commit to your gym routine, family dinner, or personal project first. Quality over quantity. A 3-hour date filled with intent beats a week of scattered texts. Maintain rhythm. Too much distance triggers doubt. Too much access breeds boredom. The sweet spot? Enough contact to feel connected. Enough space to foster longing. 5. Let silence speak. Words are powerful until they aren't. Silence used wisely can echo louder than paragraphs. Pause for effect. In conversation, a 2-second pause before your response shows thoughtfulness and makes your words land harder. After a deep talk, unplug. Instead of flooding her with follow-up messages, allow the moment to breathe. She'll revisit the conversation in her mind without any prompt from you. Use silence as respect, not punishment. Purposeful quiet should feel patient, never cold. If she reaches out, respond warmly, just not instantly every time. 6. Master the push-pull rhythm. Imagine the tide. It rushes in, then retreats. That ebb and flow keeps coastlines alive. Push. genuine compliments, attentive listening, a spontaneous coffee delivery at work. Pull, a focused gym session where you don't check your phone, an evening with friends you don't document online, a weekend task you tackle solo. Why it works? Unpredictability triggers curiosity. Each phase makes the other feel fresh again. Stay authentic. The moment pull turns into sulking or push into neediness, the magic breaks. Keep it real, keep it balanced. 7. Cultivate detached confidence. The safest place in any storm is next to someone who is calm at the helm. Self-validation first. Your mood shouldn't hinge on her reply time. Pursue hobbies, goals, and friendships that fill your tank without her input. Respond, don't react. When conflict arises, breathe, think, then speak. Steady tone, steady eyes. Independence magnetizes. A man who chooses a partner but doesn't need one offers a safe harbor, a priceless feeling for anyone. Remember stoic wisdom. Focus on what you can control, your words, actions, mindset, not what you can't, her immediate emotions. 8. Leave echoes without saying a word. Long after a conversation ends, body language lingers in memory. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed. Posture silently signals self-respect. Eye contact like sunrise, warm, never blinding. Hold her gaze, then look away naturally. Small, genuine gestures. Hold the door, offer your jacket, place your phone face down to show undivided attention. A gentle touch at the right time. A reassuring hand on her back as you cross the street, or a light brush of the shoulder when you laugh together. Done sparingly, it imprints safety and closeness. Parting ritual. End with a calm smile. No rush, no drama. That subtle confidence will replay in her mind on the drive home. Making someone miss you isn't about tricks. It's about becoming a high-value presence and then trusting the space you leave behind to do its work. Show up fully, step back gracefully, and let memory do the marketing. If this breakdown of absence psychology helped you, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a deep dive from Psychology of Her. Share this video with a friend who keeps texting back too quickly, and drop your thoughts below. What tactic resonates with you most?